Madhav Prasad Ghimire. Madhav Prasad Ghimire is one of the last of the Nepali mythical figure from the older generation. He was one of the greatest figure in Nepali literature. Ghimire was not only a playwright and essayist, but he was also known as Rashtra Kavi, which is the national poet. Madhav Prasad Ghimire was born on 7 Ashoj 1976 BC or 23 September 1919 CE in a village named Pirpustunga in the Lamjung district of Nepal. His mother died when he was 3 years old. Ghimire was brought up by his father Gauri Shankar Ghimire and his grandmother. He learned to read at the age of 6 and learned the Panchang, the Hindu calendar and Almanac from a man named Phule Baba at the age of 8 or 9. He left his home at the age of 11 and went to Dure Dada village to study Sanskrit. After awards, he migrated to Kathmandu to study at Sanskrit Pradhan Pathshala and Tindhara Sanskritik Pathshala. He then left for India for his further studies and also studied in Banaras for a time. His writing career developed in his childhood, which was spent in the Lamjung, in the hills. His first published work was titled Gyan Puspa and published in Gorkha Patra when he was 14. Upon his return from Banaras, he worked as a writer for Bhasha Anubad Parishad and later as a co-editor for Gorkha Patra in 1944. He went on to become the editor of the Gorkha Patra in 1946. He was also a contributor to Sarda and Uday journals. It is believed that Ghimire was inspired and motivated by the works of the Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore. Ghimire has a six daughters and two sons from two marriages. His first wife Gauri, whom he married around 1933 to 34. When he was 10 years old and he was 14, died after 14 years of marriage, in which they had two daughters together. He wrote Gauri, a tragic epic, in her memory. It is considered one of his best and most popular works. He married his second wife, Mahakali, at the age of 29. They had two sons and four daughters together. In 1951, he returned to his home village and worked as a teacher for a brief period. In 1953, he became a member of Kavya Pratishthan led by Lakshmi Prasad Devkota. He wrote one of his popular works, Gauri, in 1947 as a lament on the loss of his wife. Some of his well-known work include Gauri epic, Malati Mangale, Manjari, Indra Kumari, Rashtra Nirmata, Kinara Kinari, lyrical anthology, Charu Charcha, essay collection, Akhnu Basuri Akhnu Git, Himalpari Himalwari, Aswathma Rajeshwari and Sakuntala epics. He also authored popular songs such as Gaउँछ गीत नेपाली नेपाली हामी रहुँला कहाँ वैशाख फुलको थुङ्गा बगेर गयो and आजै राति देखे सपना. Gimire's poet's style was based on Chanda poetry, a stylization that combined rhythm with a fixed mode. He was considered a classic of the Sanskrit school at thought as well as the Romantic school of thought, with themes ranging from patriotism to the beauty of nature. Inspired by his childhood in the hills and the mountains, particularly the Himalayas, play a prominent part in his poems. He was also contemporary flower of poet Lakshmi Prasad Devkota. Between 1979 and 1988, Ghimre was the Vice Chancellor of the Royal Nepal Academy and was the Chancellor of the same academy from 1988 to 1990. He was working on another of his epics, Ritambara, when he died. When he died, Gimre's on-death birthday was celebrated all over Nepal with various programs on 23 September 2018. He died on 18 August at the age of 100 at his residence in Kathmandu. Due to respiratory problems, his body was cremated at Pasupati Arekhat with state honors. Gimre was also an honorary brigadier general with the Nepal Army. Some of Gimre's awards and honors include Distinguished Academic Medal, Sri Prasiddha Parval Gorkha Tachin Bahu, Bhanbhakta Award, Tribhuvan Pragya Puraskar, Padma Shri Sadan Saman Puraskar, Sajha Award.